Hi friends, how are you guys?
Hi.
I hope everybody will be fine.
Me too, chill.
And right now, uh, how are you guys?
I must to cry, right?
Where are you guys?
After, not now.
I will put
How I
myself
do
here.
after? Now I must go inside online to cry. But I don't
No,
know.
don't cry. Hi.
When they make angry after.
Right now, nada.
Hello, friends. Yeah, online.
We're live from our own page. See the views.
Salam. Salam alaikum, everybody.
See the views. Just check the views.
Really?
Salam, brother. How are you? Nice looking. Thank you.
I must cry.
Yeah, she's
You
another.
make me angry and I must to cry.
Khuram, how are you, brother? Say hi to Khuram. Khuram.
Ah, Hurram, hi. I must cry and come back on Facebook
Please.
Huh?
All my friends, they're watching. Say hi to all.
Maybe don't like me.
But you're live.
Kendi de özledim.
Everybody's confused. Like we both are live from our own.
I must to cry after, not now.
He's saying hi, cutie.
Hi.
Thank you. Everybody is asking about like. Oh my God, they're just
I'm a
confused.
caricature now. You cry? No job. After I must not cry. Somebody make me angry.
She's not
Who's this?
so many comments. Oh my God, just see the views. They are like going. I wish they can come on Instagram, huh? But they're not
Instagram
there.
after you
Yeah.
if you have food.
Maybe.
Hello friends, how I can see Pakistani language?
Say Salam Alaikum.
Salam alaikum. So nice,
And
thank you.
say Singaye Tasu.
Saying the ataso, I must
Wow.
teach myself also Pakistani language because I will start to work with Pakistani people. Raja.
Raja.
Chini, Raja.
خير دي بالكل تيك تاك دا ستول خي.
What speak Pakistani? I am not Pakistani.
Oh my
What
God.
speak?
She's a. Oh my God.
We are funny.
Walaikum assalam everybody. Yummy Mudassir Mudassir. Hi.
How I say I love you?
Z Tasara Mina Laram.
Oh, too much things. So, or something.
Tasara Mina Laram.
Tasama Mira.
Tasara.
Naza Day. Okay. Aha.
She's a good artist, she's a good singer, she's a good model, and
Thank you about comment.
everybody's asking. We are live from two places, two mobiles.
Yes. After 1 week we start to do movies. But this time I must to cry. Don't smile. Did you give what's it? Tips. What's it?
You can't understand their conversation.
Really? See this two coffee take drink together.
No,
He
she will
take-
drink. She will
He
drink.
take my
two
coffee also.
Yes, somebody's asking. You should sing.
Which song? I can sing Turkish.
Yeah, you can sing.
Only
for them.
Turkish.
Yeah,
No,
problem.
here people I cannot sing.
No, don't sing like shouting. Everybody is listening to. It's okay.
No, after next time we are inside studio. After
Somebody
we
is
can
really
sing.
angry. I don't know why.
Why?
Why?
Somebody hungry. About what? Somebody angry.
Oh my god. Say hi to all my fans.
Hi everybody.
They're really excited to see you.
Why somebody angry if we do actory?
Hi friends.
Sorry, 1 minute.
Thank you, Kashif Prem,
After I...
Shahid Khan Afridi, Pak Pathan,
What, see?
No, they're just...
Somebody make me angry. I must cry, but not now.
No, it's okay. You can sing Camellia accent. You know about that song?
I can't sing English because I can sing only Turkish.
Ho.
Habibi, wait me just 1 minute. Okay, I will come after that. Mashallah, how many people
See, everybody's...
ask for friends house style like to I must to actor your clip for crying or smiling.
Soon she'll be acting in a clip and she'll be crying, and we will teach... No, we don't teach her how to cry, but she will try to cry.
If
But
somebody make me cry, I must to do acting.
if somebody wants a coffee, we have extra one. Faisal, singer chal raha hai. I'm also near Turkey,
Really?
in Cyprus. Where is it?
Wow, where is this? What's it?
I'm also near Turkey in
Syria?
Cyprus. Where is it?
Cyprus, I don't know.
Okay. Somebody's watching you from Turkey.
Really? Hi for Turkey.
Just hi them in their own language, like Turkish language.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Faisal. English में comments करो ताकि इनको भी समझ आए, लेकिन अच्छे comments
Only
करना.
I know English. I don't know another language.
अब मेरा दानियाल अहमद आपका नाम ले लिया. Somebody is sending you hearts.
Thank you.
Anadi, what it means?
Anladım. Nasılsın? Merhaba. Salam alaikum Türkiye'de.
What it mean?
They say hi from Turkey.
Oh, really? So many hearts for you, a beautiful lady.
Thank
Showing
you, but we need this one. Which time we doing actory? Not now. After 1 month, they come new clip for him. This guy after we need this light. Not now.
Yeah, he's one person. How are you, brother and sister? You're great. Sing a marhaba.
Merhaba, nasılsınız? Hoş
is-
geldin.
No, that pretty face couldn't cry, Pak Pathan. Somebody's asking for you, like she won't cry.
Cry? I won't cry.
No, like
Wait, I will cry.
no. See, somebody's saying, no, that pretty face shouldn't cry.
Huh?
Like you're a pretty face, you shouldn't cry. Like you're
Really?
not looking so good. You're crying. Walaikum assalam. Lamjana Singh Chaldi Kurban. Hi, how are you, brother? Oh my god, I'm just... My hand is...
Tired? Okay, after I stop.
Us bawaye pasida la suni say. She's gorgeous, huh? Really? Where is she? Here is she. Nada.
Nada.
Nada.
Who's this? Nada like myself.
Yeah, she has a picture. See, she has a picture on her t-shirt. Yeah, he's saying, Subhash, I'm also a singer, want to
I am
listen.
model and singer, but I sing
He's
in
saying,
Turkish.
want to listen any song in her voice, any Turkish song, sir.
Now
They
we
want
cannot
to-
because people, we are in shopping.
See the area.
Area we are not same like hi, nice shot. Of course.
Here she is.
I make harakat now. Wait. Herself. I love you, everybody.
Marhaba, marhaba, Nisilian. What he said?
Merhaba. Merhaba, nasılsın güzel kız? İyiyim, teşekkür ederim. Siz nasılsın? Ben iyiyim. Hoş geldiniz. They say hi, how are you?
Really?
Nice girl. I say I'm
Amazing,
good.
like there are so many people of your own language, yeah? They are asking about you. Wait. Just sing in the we want to sing in Turkish. We want I don't know why everybody is asking.
What
You
they
have to
ask?
sing. You have to sing. You have to sing. You have to sing.
Okay, Turkish, little I can sing, but which song?
Everybody's asking. Please tell her to sing. Ha. Salman umdal takiri. Singer chal no tabiyat kare.
What say hello, sir?
Take my name.
Take my Facebook, everybody can add.
Yeah, and he's saying just he's a kid and he's again and again saying
I-
just where he? Yeah, Daniel. Call his name. He's saying please call my name. Call my name. Daniel.
Which one? Daniel Ahmed, how are you? Okay, we send my Facebook name. Everybody can add. You have your Facebook?
No, not here.
Oh my God, it's nice. Your Facebook. Come back. I
فيصل
can
خيمة
show.
قربان نتوايا أنا بس. Singer, she's singing, going. Shy, my friend. She's somebody saying singer is known by his or her singing.
How?
Don't shy.
What sing?
Sing. Don't shy.
No, here people, because it's a shopping area. We are Muslim country. About this
How can I?
problem come.
Yeah, one is asking in Turkish language. What he's saying?
Wait.
What he's saying?
Türk
Oh wait, sorry. Huh?
Türk şarkılarını severim. Ben de ama şu anda şarkı söylemem çünkü alışverişe oturuyoruz arkadaş beraber.
That's what the thing is. What you said, I don't understand.
We see you can. I like Turkish song. Daniel.
Oh my God. Beautiful queen.
Thank you, Adel.
They all liked you.
Huh?
All liked you, huh? Everybody's asking.
Thank you, everybody.
We want to listen you. You have to sing. Everybody's asking. I don't know why.
Because long time I stopped singing here. Now I am only model. About this I cannot sing here. If you want somebody listen, later, but people after problem.
Say hi to Tariq Jamal. Say
Tariq Jamal, hi.
Hi, Mama singer challe.
Sometimes we open like this, we can enjoy.
Salam alaikum. Salam.
Salam alaikum. Salam.
His name is Suhail. He's from my own village. You know village. Imran Shalmani, my cousin is also there. Nada.
Hi, very nice,
Nice,
beautiful, thank you. very
Daniel is
much.
asking again and again about
Who
you. Like,
asking?
Daniel, you're beautiful, you're
From where,
queen.
Daniel?
Daniel is a little kid.
India?
He liked you, no Pakistan, but he liked
Pakistan.
you. Yeah. मामा सिंह चल रही तबीयतों ने खरी तस्खे सहालात थी अंसार से सलामुना पाक पठान सलामुना हाँ पाक पठान डबल आईडी रखा मराला
Wait, I want my Facebook profile.
सिंह चल रही तबीयतों ने खैर दी तस्खे ये चोल
Yes, it's my profile Facebook, Instagram. Somebody can ask me.
They can see.
Add me.
Yeah, yes. Oh wait, I just like this. Maybe
Yeah,
they can
maybe
see.
somebody.
Yeah, just join her here. Huh? Why it's not?
Not come.
It's okay. It's fine now. Just search her here. Okay.
Not have name where they can see.
Yeah, where is your name?
Here.
What's this?
Shakira official.
Shakira official. You will search her on the Instagram
After we can
and
send
just
Facebook.
follow her. And from here you will follow her on the Facebook. You can just
Wait,
see.
I have Facebook profile also. Hey, somebody can. We can put their comment.
Yeah.
So somebody feel boring or no?
No, they are. Salam to both. Walaikum salam.
Malaikum salam. Salam to both of you. Teşekkür ederim canım. Salamlar Türkiye'de. Seviyoruz sizi çok.
पता नहीं कम चौक तो मुझे ख्याल कोई.
It's my page for
Yeah,
Facebook.
let's show them. Oh my god. Where is your
This page,
Uh-huh.
they can put like
Where
that.
is your page?
This I don't have here.
You don't
because
have no on Facebook.
this
On Facebook. On
Facebook I don't download because only
Like
picture.
www like this.
No, only this like that page.
Okay, just see her page. Where is this? It's a Shakira Nada. Okay. Wait.
But your mobile have
I don't
no
know.
screen.
I don't know. It's okay now.
Somebody can take this.
We will take the screenshot. Everybody is
Yeah.
taking the screenshot.
Yes.
Okay.
We are enjoying too much.
Farooq Yaruzama Assalam Wartawaya. Okay, you guys can join her here. It's her official page. We want her to be promoted and we are here for her promotion. She's a good artist. She's a good model. Just pray for her and
This video very nice. After everybody.
yeah, everybody will join you.
What
Okay,
is
everybody is
please,
asking,
please?
please. She Yozal smile. Everybody is asking, please tell her to smile once, please. She really smiles so nice. Imran, Salamuna Singh Khair De. Singh Khair De TikTok. Very nice job, brother.
Oh, he told me I must cry.
Yaruz Amu Salam Warta. Everybody is asking salam. Walaikum assalam.
Salam, alaikum salam. Everybody love you.
Oh, your shoe.
I don't want to you. What's right?
Yeah. She's an artist and I'm promoting her.
What's
I
it?
just need her to. Sarsib Nur Tafkhe, Tabiyatuna.
Somebody this Daniel. What's Daniel? Crest. He's talking your language.
The one is saying, you both are looking so nice together. Oh my god.
Together we sing after, inshallah.
Somebody is asking, she's a Shakira singer from the USA?
No. I am different Shakira. This Shakira different.
यार इरशुनो बस समझ पसड़ी तो खबर का
अच्छा
You will come Peshawar. Okay, she will come. Huh?
Who's he?
He's saying like you'll come to Pakistan. Yeah.
If somebody send me visa, I will come direct, no problem.
She's so brave. She's so brave. Like she's so beautiful, Shaisa. We want you both in a song.
Oh my God, how I can sing here? People. Zabir.
Bibi Shirini Gao.
What's he make tarjuman? English, please.
They are all Pathans.
Huh?
They are being pushed.
What's he?
Both of you looking good. Thank you so much. Look when it's
He will stop.
Oh,
No,
like this.
take coffee. He make 2-3 coffee. Or go out. Or yeah. Funny now. What's his sorry?
Say my name and thanks Shakira, beautiful queen.
Thank
Daniel
you,
really
Daniel.
like you. He
Why?
really like
Daniel,
you.
he
He's
like
commenting
me.
again and again.
Yes. So what happened? Make tarjiman. I don't know. Facebook profile. You can see.
Yeah. You can't see like this. I have to rotate my
But
camera.
this,
Wait,
you
I have
know
to
what?
rotate my camera.
This is the problem.
Yeah,
Somebody
just
come
join
up.
her here. Okay? Somebody wants to join her. Wait for a sec. Yeah, you all
This,
can join her here.
but this is the problem when putting this Turkish
What happened?
something.
NC. NNC.